Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the workout mode in Fitness app on iOS 26. Okay, so the workout mode is a new thing that appeared in iOS 26. To use this mode we need to open up our Fitness app, and as you take a look, we have the workout mode down below. That's the thing that wasn't available before. It appeared after the update. So in here we have 4 types of the workout. We have the outdoor run, outdoor walk, and outdoor cycle, and also the hiking. To quickly start one of those workouts, all we need to do is to simply tap on this green button, but we can also adjust it a little bit. When we click on that icon next to each mode, in here we have the quick start. We can adjust how many calories, what is our goal. So for example, let's click and let's say that we want to get, for example, 300, just like that. And now you can click on start workout. Also we can select the time, how long we want it to last, the distance of our run. We can adjust everything. It's in the meters. We can also change it, for example, into yards, miles, or the kilometers. Everything is up to you. And just like in the calories, simply slide up or down to change the distance. Okay. Also, we can change. That's also the distance goal. We have 2 distances, I don't know why. But also we can enable the music and media, and we can enable the autoplay media. Automatically play media when you start outdoor run workouts, unless media is already playing. If you want that feature to be turned on, you can enable it. And now you can select the media that you want to use, and they will appear right in here. Okay. To save it, click on right in here. If you have chose the media, of course, just like that. Of course, it's not. We can adjust everything, not only the outdoor run. I will show you that in the outdoor walk we also have a possibility to adjust everything. Also, if you want, when you click on that icon right in here, you can connect the heart rate monitoring device. And thanks to that, when you click on the Bluetooth settings, you'll be able to connect, for example, your Apple Watch to monitor your heart rate, and everything will also appear when you start the workout. You'll be able to monitor everything on your screen. So we can adjust the average pace, we can see the total calories, we can see also the active calories, we can adjust the size of the timer. When you slide it to the upside a little bit, you can stop the timer, you can resume. If you click on end workout, it will simply end. If you click on lock controls, everything will be locked, so we won't click anything by a misclick, for example. To unlock it, simply slide to the right side. And we also have the check-in option. If you click on that, thanks to that, we'll be able to, for example, let our friend know that we have just finished our workout. You can notify a friend automatically when you complete a workout. So if you have, for example, a friend that with who you are training together, you can simply click on continue and enable that feature, and the results of your workout and notification that you have just finished it will appear to your friend. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.